Girl alive, you know. Over here go full. See me boss, I reach over here cookie. I want to give it over here some. It's what? To get worse. Hey man, when you swallow like that, hey, when my swallow come like I'm nearly dead. My son enough up over here, no long no wants to come alive. Who know? Yes, I'm on tour living my best. How do I get to cruise without going to Florida? Listen to me. When I was younger, to the US, I go everywhere by US. Miami, Florida, Boston, everywhere. You see them places now? You see them places now? When I see on TV, one of them states are for true. I see the whole on over New York, the whole on over Florida, the whole on over Boston, the whole on over Miami, the whole on over all over the place. So uno everywhere, uno video out the whole of New York, uno video out the whole of Miami, uno video out the whole of Boston, everywhere, Massachusetts, everywhere, Minnesota, uno video out the whole of. I don't see nobody have video over Mexico. I don't see nobody have video over Cuba. No, my body they came on. But I don't see nobody have video. I want to see it for myself, my love. Alright, from the ass back them and in the open back car them and all of them stuff they come on. So next Tuesday I probably go to New York and so, but this one is a shit. The only thing is Wi-Fi. Jesus. So everybody use Wi-Fi on the ship, it's like it's the hardest thing ever. So much you put it in. Pascal, how was your birthday?
So we keep our next birthday for you when you come.
Pascal, we keep our next birthday for you when you come.
So you have 2 birthdays.
You got 2 birthdays, bitch. Nah, like, but people don't give me my juice all along and I give me enough food.
But you have a Mexican, don't be.
We need one of them buggy top with it for going now. Look, I want to juke it.
You have a car problem.
No, I have to go in either. I don't want one of them taxi. Them are there Jamaican now. I want some car and some something I never go in yet. King buggy. You want to stop me now? Girl, I said New York across is nothing there. No. I don't know. But them place when I was small, I know, when I was about 14, 15. When I was a child, you know?
Oh.
That's where most of my family them live. All my family them come from over them side there.
Oh, the Hooters?
Yeah, we're at Hooters.
This is Hooters.
We're at Hooters.
Hooters, I don't know, Hookers. Oh, what do I?
Say hi.
Thank you. I love my wig, you know. From Chrome Wigs, you know. Fixed up from Put Plus Sweet Team and installed by me. That's why it looks so tacky. Can me do it?
Don't know.
Don't lie with. Tell lie upon them somebody. Y'all know me. What wanna tell lie upon a frightened for? It don't move me. Somebody can't help me. I look darker, I stop bleach. Long time and I tell them some first one if they want me to go back go do our next something on a designer body. Do our next session. Doing your body is like tattoo. Very addictive. But I'm not gonna spoil myself and favor hands. So doctor them scared to work for me because them say I bleach too much, so my skin thin. And I don't want to cut me. So them say I should stop. So I will. You know where Brazil out as a lie, I'm going to go to Brazil. Shavan Brazil. The girl I can make them breast them drop because I work. It is hot? No. So if it is hot, trust me, I would go back. But I think because I never really feel much pain, I guess that's why I'm going back, and that's why I'm okay with going back. I never really feel much pain. The only problem I had was my bottom. My bottom did a bun me. So when everyone did about them belly and stuff, I wasn't feeling it. But you know when time, you know, like all places where they use, you know, some places where they use the bumpan, right? When you rub it and then like stop rub it completely, it's gonna get extra darker than normal places on the body. So that's why my foot's so dark, because my foot are bomb used to peel off my foot. My knuckles are bomb used to peel off my knuckles, so my knuckles are got extra dark. So places where you use the bumpan, like if you use the bump, you just tap use the bump, so I get darker than how it was before, that way darker. So now they're on the foot, the foot black up. Get to when girl touch back her body and then ready again. You stop telling me not touch my body, not tell me nothing about my life. I don't ever want to tell people what to do. If I feel like someone wants to do something low me now, I'm going to spoil myself. I know what I'm seeing. You might be seeing it on the Instagram and whatever, but I know what I am seeing, and I know my flaws that I'm seeing that I want to fix. When I do nothing out here just like boom, boom, boom. No, I like naturality. So when I do nothing extra like favor no hands or no pigeon or no and no camel. I'm not gonna do that. Something simple, you know. When I say it because I'm seeing it on the media, yes, but you guys are not seeing like what I am seeing, like if you want to take off our clothes and stuff, I'm gonna see all a little slight faults that you can fix. Yeah. I mostly go into like a company, my friends, they're cool. Do my body and just go enjoy myself. Book my hotel and everything over there and could do no pool, no nothing. So I go enjoy myself first, then do my surgery after. Yeah, mommy, I'm going to enjoy myself, okay? See? I think probably after this year. After a year, yeah. So, you know, I'm so old, I say, for all of the live where I live, I never really enjoy myself to that. Like, I'm always just at work. I always think of ideas of make money. And it's always a work. I never really go hotel and enjoy myself and up on a vacation and not really do no work. No, never do that. So when my sister reached 25, I say, 25? Somebody good I'll kill me soon or something. God forbid. And you know, I don't really do nothing with myself. So I'm saying, no, I'm just enjoy myself for that year. So next year, I'm going to have enough fun. No fun. Work. Invest. Make money, get my house, get my dream car. Although Marquez was my dream car, and I got a Marquez, yes. So just work on my dreams, them, deal with them, get my kid, and that's it. But I have my kid done. And me, love baby too much. So I know say once I build and have my baby, I come off all social media. Get Fab Now Fashion, big up on yourself. Y'all can head over to Get Fab Now Fashion. She got some nice fits. The pink suit. So I never get a picture in her because somebody did one of the girl did dash or something on the clothes. So I never get a picture in the clothes. But she's where I got that from. And cute little purses and everything. She have them, trust me.
Yes, sir.
Hard work and no play make Jake a dull boy, that's true. I don't need a baby, I want a baby. Don't force baby for me to everybody. And I ask her, I could have a picnic right now and she just shouldn't stop stressing you out. You can't go nowhere, you can't go on the road, you can't enjoy life and nobody will leave your picnic with. I want to enjoy my life, and when I'm ready, I need to leave nobody with my baby. Me I work, baby I come and work. I go on the road, baby I come on the road. Everything, baby I go there. Right now you can't enjoy your life because your baby say I got to think about her and I don't want to leave her with anybody if nobody ill treat her baby. I have some baby was so rude, but you're afraid to live for nobody because your baby is so rude. And you know so the person them supposed to walk them in them back left, right and center. You don't want to have fun because you don't nobody to keep her. Your mother don't want to keep her. Your mother goes to me never send you go breed. Your mother goes to me never send you go breed. Baby father would have probably nice. And then after the baby father turn crosses because then every baby father can angle postpartum syndrome or whatever my name. You correct me. And every baby father can manage that. So you know when you even start breeding, you know some sweet pepper you start get the spot them and start getting big and for the baby father gone. So you know you're unhappy. And then if you have a nice little figure, you have a baby, figure gone. When your figure gone, and when you're ready to enjoy life and come out in Mexico, you have and you look at swimwear. Ain't no swimwear, bitch, with that big fucking gut. I had 150 stretch mark them for your belly. You can't do none of that. So do it now, and then you have a baby. By the time you get old, you meet an older guy, you're not going to respect woman. You get me? Someone love too much little boy, a young boy. You realize them song right now? Artists them just sing out them just fuck out their belly. None of them artists when I hear them and sing out them, I'm gonna take care of them woman and marry them and make sure them okay, make sure them give them no. Them have 5 girls and that girl and another girl and every day them want the next girl and 2 weeks at a time. You have a man and listen to them artists and them just the song. And so I mean respect my man. Hear them sing and skip them. Now listen it. I'm not them artists that overpower that brain here. 2 boys that have a name road, right? Sure. When you have a rude child and you don't lick your child, you're afraid to leave your child anyway, yeah? And them rude. That's all about baby. I love baby. Over foreign alone, you hear them artists that sing about love them woman and treat them woman. Them young one, yeah? Every day them get a next girl, every 2 days them get a next girl and fuck that girl and fuck the best son and fuck the sister. Kenisha Money, a lot of people like me, grown and all. Some people like to get a rat because the more you have to stay one place, the more you have to stagnant. You get me? They can't live for people, just have to live for yourself. But me to follow them to be just get it every day. I want.
No, I want to ask you, where is the farm?
Do you love me? Are you riding? So you never ever leave from beside me. Hear them nice song where them artists are sing over here, so find me, I go marry and find one. So you never ever leave from beside me, cause I want you and I need you. Right now, if I did have one Jamaican song right now, that for Kiki and her friend and her Kiki, Madam Kiki, sister Antonia and Shishi. I am 41, 4 kids and still wear my swimsuit and go on vacation. Kids not stop me from doing anything. Because you will live the good life. But I ask you, enough of them girls that are fitting early. Them don't even know where the first money is to take care of them kids. So there is no time to go up on a vacation. When a man get money to go up on vacation, you have some people who really love them kids. Every money them getting them man for their kids, and that would be me, because I love kids. So any money, you're going to say, fuck a cruise ship. Nah. Make sure my picnic good. My picnic see one bike and want a bike, they get that bike. They get that car, they get this, get that shoes, they get this, anything my kid wants. That's what my baby's gonna get. So you stay there with your 4 picnic them 41 years old and now wear your swimsuit.
One of them women.
Not saying you can't do that. Yes, you can, but not everybody's gonna be that fortunate. So I don't think people should force kids on people. I think you should wait until you're ready to have a baby. White woman, they said all of them love woman. Jesus. I love Cuba, them love woman. Go Cuba, hear them. Beautiful. Because me and my kids them the road, that's true. It depends on what time you have your picnic. Like she have 41 and have 4 kids. She fair picnic them gonna be old enough to can do them things. You know some she have 4 kids, the older one supposed to can take care of the other one. You know ready? Or not? Or not go?
Where's my family?
Where pharmacy? Guys, me come on for this now. Wait, don't wanna give you a bill, She'll come with it now. I'm ready. This is my bill?
Yeah. If you pay in pesos, American dollars.
I'm frightened. You're not frightened when you see it. My bill come to $429. May I say where me eat, so? 129 US.
Oh.
Police to me, baby, because I took $100 from me. That is why Queen Slayer. I'm not talking about parents where them kids are old enough they can leave them to do whatever. I'm talking about babies, months, babies, 1-year-olds, babies, 2-year-olds. You get me? I'm not really a family person to that, so I don't really have family to like, you know? I don't really know a family where I can leave my opinion them fans to that. Most of my family them do overseas. So I don't really know family in Jamaica where I can leave my kids on. Oh my God, Nisha,